Hi everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our 72 by 96 Parkside flat top double door today. This door is being featured with oil rub bronze color and frost glass today. So this is a 72 by 96, which is measured from the outside of the frame, and 96 is measured from the bottom of the threshold to all the way to the top of the frame. On the Parkside, we use smaller pickets, so it's a little more delicate because it's got a lot of design work in the middle of it. It's got a large kick plate with a little flower inside of it. A really cool door. I think it's super elegant. We love this thing. I'm gonna flip this thing around and show you guys the back end of this. We're on the back side of the Parkside. I'm gonna show you guys how the glass opens. You untwist the knobs, flick them open, glass opens up. I didn't turn it. Glass opens up, and this makes it easier to clean the glass, and also you can clean the back of the scroll work. So I showed you guys how the glass opens. Also on the kick plate on the back side, we have the flower on there also. So this door comes in a single door. It also comes in obviously different sizes. We don't make it in an arch door, but you can also make this into a custom arch door if you like. And don't forget, screens are definitely optional. You can order a door with a screen if you like. Hope you guys like the showcase of the Parkside. If you have any questions, please call us at 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. Thank you.